Have you ever wondered why some people in their 50s or 60s seem to thrive with endless energy, while others struggle with fatigue, high blood sugar, or early signs of chronic disease? The truth often comes down to food, real food. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I met a man in his early 50s. From the outside, he looked fine, maybe a little overweight, but busy and successful in his career. Yet his lab results told another story. His blood sugar, insulin, A1C, and triglycerides were all dangerously high. He was heading straight toward diabetes and heart disease, and he didn't even know it. Instead of prescribing pills, I gave him a plan. Focus on just 9 powerful foods, reduce processed carbs, and tighten his eating window. Within months, his energy skyrocketed, his numbers normalized, and his future looked completely different. Today, I'll reveal those top 9 foods you must eat to stay healthy. These aren't trendy superfoods you'll forget about next week. These are timeless, science-backed foods that can transform your health, protect against disease, and keep your body strong for years to come. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil, liquid gold for your heart. If there's one food you should always keep in your kitchen, it's extra virgin olive oil. It's the foundation of the Mediterranean diet, famous for its heart protective power. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, polyphenols, and a special compound called oleocanthal that fights inflammation in your arteries. Think of it this way. Countries that consume high amounts of olive oil have some of the lowest heart disease rates in the world. Meanwhile, Western diets filled with processed seed oils, soybean, corn, and sunflower, create inflammation and disease. Swap those harmful oils for olive oil, and your body will thank you. Number 2. Grass-fed beef liver, nature's multivitamin. Liver might not sound exciting, but it is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Grass-fed beef liver is packed with vitamin A, B vitamins, iron in its most bioavailable form, and nutrients that supercharge your mitochondria, the energy factories in every cell. When your mitochondria work better, everything works better. Your brain, your muscles, your immune system. That's why traditional cultures prized liver long before science confirmed its benefits. It's truly nature's original multivitamin. Number 3. Fermented vegetables. Heal your gut, heal your body. Your gut is the command center of your health. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickled vegetables aren't just delicious. They're alive with probiotics. These healthy bacteria strengthen your gut lining, improve nutrient absorption, and protect you from inflammation and allergies. A strong gut equals a strong body. If your digestion and microbiome are balanced, you'll notice better energy, better immunity, and even better mood. Number 4. Garlic. Flavor with benefits. Garlic does more than add flavor to your meals. It contains allicin, a powerful compound that boosts nitric oxide, helping your blood vessels relax and improving circulation. Better circulation means lower blood pressure and healthier arteries. Garlic is also antibacterial and supports a balanced gut microbiome by reducing harmful bacteria. So every time you add an extra clove, or 5, you're protecting your heart, your gut, and your immune system. Number 5. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Pecans, walnuts, macadamias, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and pumpkin seeds all deliver a perfect combination of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and minerals. They stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and lower chronic inflammation. The hidden driver behind heart disease, dementia, and other conditions. But here's a tip. Moderation matters. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day provide more than enough selenium for your body, but too many can cause toxicity. Meanwhile, pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of zinc and magnesium, perfect for snacking. Number 6. Pasture-raised eggs, affordable superfood. Eggs often get an unfair reputation, but they're actually one of the best superfoods available, especially when they're pasture-raised. These eggs contain higher levels of omega-3s, vitamin D, choline, and vitamin K2 compared to conventional eggs. Choline fuels your brain's neurotransmitters, while vitamin K2 keeps calcium in your bones and out of your arteries. Together with high-quality protein, eggs are filling, muscle-supporting, and inexpensive. Think about it. For just a couple of dollars, you can prepare a nutrient-packed meal. Number 7. Berries, nature's candy. Sweet but low in sugar, berries are loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which fight oxidative stress and inflammation. They also contain vitamin C, manganese, and plenty of fiber to keep blood sugar stable. Unlike processed sweets, berries deliver flavor and nutrients without spiking your glucose. They're the perfect guilt-free treat. Number 8. Wild-caught salmon brain and heart booster. Few foods are as beneficial as wild-caught salmon. Rich in omega-3, EPA, and DHA, salmon supports brain health, lowers inflammation, and improves insulin sensitivity by keeping your cell membranes flexible and strong. Just 2 to 3 servings per week can dramatically improve your omega-3 to omega-6 balance, protecting your heart and reducing risk of chronic disease. Number 9. Avocados, the perfect plant food. Creamy, satisfying, and nutrient-packed, avocados are loaded with potassium, essential for heart rhythm, and soluble fiber that slows blood sugar spikes and nourishes your gut bacteria. Avocados combine the best of plant and animal foods. Rich, filling fats plus fiber and antioxidants. They're practically designed for health. The bigger picture. All of these foods share something powerful in common. They're whole, unprocessed, and naturally nutrient-dense. They keep inflammation low, stabilize blood sugar, and replace the processed foods, refined carbs, sugars, and seed oils that fuel disease. The patient I mentioned at the start didn't heal by accident. He healed because he returned to real food, the kind of food that humans have thrived on for thousands of years. And you can too. So if you want to protect your heart, energize your body, and stay healthy for life, start filling your plate with these 9 foods. When we talk about longevity and health, it's not only about avoiding harmful foods, but also about deliberately choosing those that nourish and repair your body from the inside out. Beyond the 10 foods already highlighted, there are other nutrient-dense staples that deserve the spotlight for their ability to reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and fuel long-term wellness. Cruciferous vegetables, nature's detoxifiers. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale are rich in compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol. These natural chemicals help your liver process toxins more efficiently and activate detox pathways that clear out excess estrogen and carcinogens. Regular intake has been linked to lower cancer risk, especially breast and colon cancer. Light steaming or sautéing maximizes their bioavailability without destroying nutrients. Greek yogurt and kefir gut and immunity allies. Fermented dairy foods are loaded with probiotics that populate your gut with beneficial bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome plays a major role in digestion, mental health, and immune strength. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt contains more protein, making it a filling option for breakfast or snacks. Kefir goes a step further, offering diverse probiotic strains that support better nutrient absorption and reduce bloating. Green tea, the ancient elixir. For thousands of years, green tea has been treasured across Asia for promoting vitality and focus. Its main powerhouse, EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, is a potent antioxidant that protects cells from free radical damage. Studies suggest that consistent green tea drinkers enjoy better metabolic health, reduced body fat, and improved brain function. Swap just one sugary drink daily with a cup of green tea, and your body will thank you. Dark chocolate, 85% and above. Surprisingly, pure dark chocolate belongs in a healthy diet. Rich in flavonoids, it enhances blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and even boosts mood by stimulating endorphin production. The key is moderation and choosing varieties with minimal sugar. Just a small square daily can provide heart-protective benefits without derailing your diet. Bone broth. Ancient nutrition for modern times. A slow-simmered broth made from chicken or beef bones is a nutritional treasure chest. It contains collagen, glycine, proline, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. These compounds strengthen joints, improve skin elasticity, and support gut healing. Athletes often use it for recovery, but it's equally powerful for seniors wanting stronger bones and connective tissues. Mushrooms, the forgotten superfood. Varieties such as shiitake, maitake, and reishi contain beta-glucans that strengthen immune defenses. Mushrooms are also one of the few plant sources of vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Research shows they can reduce inflammation, regulate cholesterol, and support brain health. Sautéed mushrooms add umami flavor and a nutritional punch to almost any meal. The key pattern here is that these foods are not exotic or hard to find. They are everyday ingredients that, when consistently included in your meals, provide medicinal-like effects. The combination of probiotic-rich fermented foods, detoxifying vegetables, antioxidant beverages, and collagen-rich broths creates a lifestyle of nourishment rather than restriction. This is how real health is built, one smart choice at a time, building a sustainable food lifestyle. A healthy diet isn't about adding a single superfood once in a while. It's about building a lifestyle where every meal becomes an opportunity to strengthen your body. Let's expand on more categories of foods that integrate seamlessly into daily routines while amplifying your health. Legumes, protein and longevity fuel. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are staples in many of the world's blue zones, where people live past 100 in good health. They provide plant-based protein, resistant starch, and soluble fiber that improve gut health and reduce cholesterol. Lentils in particular are rich in folate and magnesium, supporting heart and brain function. When combined with grains, they form a complete protein, making them an excellent meat alternative. Spices and herbs, nature's medicine cabinet. Turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and rosemary are not just flavor enhancers. They are bioactive compounds that fight inflammation, improve circulation, and regulate blood sugar. Turmeric's curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory on par with some medications, while cinnamon helps lower insulin resistance. Incorporating spices daily transforms ordinary meals into healing dishes. Citrus fruits, vitamin C powerhouses. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, a nutrient essential for collagen synthesis, immune defense, and antioxidant protection. Beyond immune health, vitamin C also helps the body absorb iron from plant foods, preventing anemia. A glass of lemon water in the morning or slices of grapefruit with breakfast can elevate nutrient intake significantly. Whole grains energy and fiber foundation. When eaten in their unprocessed form, grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice deliver complex carbohydrates, B vitamins, and fiber. Unlike refined grains, whole grains digest slowly, keeping blood sugar steady and providing lasting energy. Oats are especially valuable for their beta-glucans, which reduce cholesterol and feed beneficial gut bacteria. Sea vegetables, ocean superfoods. Nori, kelp, and wakame are rich in iodine, a mineral crucial for thyroid health. They also contain unique antioxidants not found in land plants, such as fucoxanthin, which has anti-obesity effects. Including small amounts of seaweed in soups or salads enhances mineral diversity in the diet. Avocado oil and coconut oil, complementary healthy fats. While olive oil reigns supreme, rotating with avocado oil or coconut oil provides different fatty acid profiles. Avocado oil is heat-stable and packed with heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, while coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides that the body burns quickly for energy and mental clarity. Used moderately, they add flavor and metabolic benefits. The secret to sustainable health is variety. Each of these foods fills a unique role. Legumes for protein and fiber, herbs for anti-inflammatory power, citrus for antioxidants, whole grains for steady energy, and sea vegetables for minerals. Together, they create a nutrient mosaic that prevents deficiencies and builds resilience. And here's the most important part. Health is not about perfection. It's about progress. Adding one or two of these foods into your weekly routine can already make a difference. If you're inspired by this journey into the power of food, I encourage you to keep learning, experimenting, and nourishing your body daily. If you found these insights helpful, make sure to subscribe to Live Healthy every day. Leave a comment about which food you're most excited to try, and follow along for more practical tips that can transform your health naturally.